Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What is bigorexia inside the gymgoal that's taking over young? Body image issues have long been considered a primarily female struggle, but experts say the epidemic is increasingly reaching boys and young men. In boys, a negative body image often stems from the feeling that they aren't muscular enough, leading to an obsession with shedding fat and packing on muscle, a condition known as bigorexia or muscle dysmorphia. Bigorexia is a type of body dysmorphic disorder where someone is preoccupied with the idea that they don't have enough muscularity, even when their build is normal or objectively muscular. Bigorexia can lead to compulsive, excessive exercise, restrictive diets, and misuse of supplements or steroids, disrupting daily life. It is more common in young men between 15 to 32 years old, especially bodybuilders, athletes, and those with mental health conditions. Bigorexia carries serious mental and physical risks, including stress fractures, muscle damage, liver/kidney issues, depression, and suicide. However, it often goes unnoticed or overlooked in boys. Treatment for bigorexia typically includes cognitive behavioral therapy and medication, with close medical supervision due to the potential for serious health problems. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.